Alright, these just came in today. I got a camping gear 2-in-1 outdoor heater and stove. So I bought a stainless steel 1-pound portable appliance. It has a gas. Basically tell you about, you know, basically it's full or need to be refilled. I bought that to connect with the camping gear 2-in-1 outdoor heating and stove. I bought this adapter too because I gotta go in there like, oh, now I gotta go in there like this. But alright, let's open this box and see what's in it. Alright, we have a manual book with a key. Got the gas cable, the propane gas cable, and then we got this big sucker right here. As you can see, it's pretty big. Brand new. Bought this little piece right here. It can be in the description if you want this aluminum plate, you know. Go around here, you know, keep the heat while cooking. Damn. Anyways, okay. So this comes with it. You don't need to buy the stainless steel with the you know, indicator with the telling you how much fuel you have left. But if you do, you basically extending the cabling like longer, so the propane gotta be so close to your stuff, you know. So that's, we're gonna go back here. Alright. I have this. It's gonna be going on to this one. Basically, it's gonna be like that. Basically. We're gonna have this. base is gonna attach to this like this. That's how this attachment goes. This propane. All right. Let's see if this runs. There we go. You gotta push down, turn it. This little pilot. Turn on. This little pilot right here. Then you turn it. There you go. That's how it works. Working. Get this tool right there. That portion. Alright, it's going on. I can feel the heat. I'm about 3 feet away from the camping stove.